Hello everyone. Today I will demonstrate an AM modulation laboratory simulator. This simulator helps visualize message signal, carrier signal, AM modulated waveform spectrum analysis and demodulation in real time. This is parameter section. These sliders allow us to change the message and carrier signal parameters and observe their effect instantly. This is channel A and this is channel B. Channel A shows the low frequency message signal while channel B shows the high frequency carrier signal. This is channel C. Channel C displays the AM modulated signal. As the message amplitude changes, the envelope of the carrier changes accordingly. And this is calculation panel. This simulator automatically calculates important communication parameters such as modulation index, power, efficiency and bandwidth. This is spectrum. The frequency spectrum clearly shows the carrier frequency and the upper and lower side bands. This simulator supports DSB-TC, DSB-SC and SSB modulation modes of comparative study. This simulator provides an interactive environment for understanding analog communication concepts, AM generation, spectrum analysis and demodulation. Thank you.